Hi and welcome to the BlendeForum install video. BlendeForum comes in a zip file for Windows. I'll right click, show more options and extract here with 7-zip. In the BlendeForum folder is a text file that shows the location of the Blender add-ons folder. Just replace your username and you should find it here. I'll go into the Blender Custom Panels folder, copy all, and paste them into the Blender Add-ons folder. I'll open up Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, click the Add-ons tab on the left and select the User option. Now you can see all the panels and export scripts you just copied to the Blender Add-ons folder. Blender displays custom panels vertically in the order they are activated, so I'll activate them in numbered order. And the 3 export scripts, 2D, 3D and ComfyUI. In the Blender Template Projects folder are 2 template files, 2D and 3D. I'll open the 3D template, and here is the starting point from the previous and upcoming tutorial videos. Now I'll go to the ComfyUI node folder. This is a node for ComfyUI that works with the ComfyUI export script you just copied into the Blender add-ons folder. I'll copy the node and paste it into my ComfyUI custom nodes folder. The Deforum settings file folder has a Deforum settings file you will need to finish the exports. And the Windows Desktop app folder. I'll copy the AmberView software folder and paste it into C drive program files. Inside the AmberView software folder is Amber Launch, the desktop app for BlendeForum. I'll right-click and pin to taskbar. And there you have it. That was the install instructions for BlendeForum. Check out the previous video for an overview and upcoming tutorials for an in-depth look at all of BlendeForum's features. I'll leave you with this demo that was made with the BlendeForum 2D template and an older SDXL model and Loris. See you in the next one.
Octahedron. Octahedron. Icosahedron. Dodecahedron. Circles.
He's falling asleep. He's real tired.